Today I came to Kita Kamakura because I have a plan. So I have big plan. So in Kamakura, it is say there is 7 happiness god, and if you visit 7 happiness god, you can get 7 different Goshuin stamp, and also if you complete 7 happiness god, your dream come true. So this time I came to Kita Kamakura, and later I will planning to go to Jochiji Temple. This is the first visiting to 7 happiness temple in Kamakura for me. So, but today is super cold, so I needed to something to eat, make me warm up. So that's why I came here. Here is called Barb Cafe, and actually this came from Santa Cruz, California, and I heard there are so many restaurants and so many cafes in San Francisco. Maybe over 10, I guess. And also in Japan, we have some barb in Japan, and at least in Kamakura, we have 2 shops. So barb is my favorite. It's a little bit expensive, but today it's so special because during live streaming, some people support me. So thank you so much. So let's eat, let's enjoy. いただきます。Cheers. やばい。すごい美味しい。Wait. This is very tasty cafe latte. I've never had a rosemary cafe latte. Actually, it's so good. すっごい美味しい。すごい very creative, right? It's so nice. Mm-hmm. 美味しいです。美味しいです。美味しいです。It's so tasty. So lately, I'm thinking about the Kamakura local. I want to start something very special, and actually, I thought I want to try visiting 7 happiness god in Kamakura. So in Japan, ちょっと待って、hold on. Oh my gosh, what happened? ちょっと待って。Originally, I'm planning to go to Jochiji Temple today, but something happened. Today, I think I can't go. ちょっと待って。いけないかもしれない。I think still I can go. I can go inside. I guess. ちょっと待って。What happened? すごい綺麗だ。やばい。So, okay. I want to retake for YouTube.
Hi, this is Yuriko. Welcome back to channel. And today I want to show you guys. I want to introduce about 7 happiness god in Kamakura with a Shichifukujin. So in Japan, it is say if you visit 7 different temple, you can get a very big happiness, very big luck. So actually, and in Kamakura, we have famous 7 happiness god. So from this video, I want to introduce 7 happiness god in Kamakura. And this time I came here called Jochiji Temple in Kitakamakura. Jochiji Temple in Kitakamakura is very famous for ちょっと待って This season, this time, Japanese maple is just amazing, right? Honestly, I want to show you guys an entrance, but this time I couldn't go no entrance. So, but I have another footage on YouTube video. I will put on. I can edit. Okay. So this upstairs looks very old. すごい古く見えますね。I don't know why. ね、すごい綺麗だね。It's just amazing. ご本尊は弥勒様、お釈迦様、阿弥陀様。ドンゲデンとは3000年に一度しか咲かないという伝説の花。三世仏に一度にお会いできるというそれほど貴重なので、なるほど。七福神、布袋様。中国の唐の時代に実領した僧侶がモデルとされている。指を指しておられるのは宝はあなたのすぐ近くにありますよ。福徳円満支援増資の神様。なるほど。So anyway, I need strong luck. That's why I came here. It's just amazing. すごい綺麗だね。うわ、ちょっと待ってね。So Jochiji Temple is not very gorgeous, but very simple and very peace and calm and so beautiful. And this is a なんだっけ、Dengedo, and there is Sri Buddha. It's very いやすごいね。It's very special. It's very special. I need to donation. I will pray for you guys. I will pray you guys also get happiness. So this time I will donate 300円。ちょっと3人いるからね。Because there is 3 Buddha. So now I'm praying like my followers and me, of course Yu-chan, we can get a lot of happiness and a lot of enjoyable So I think during this visiting seven happiness god, I want to pray same things like happiness of my followers and happiness of Yuri-chan and Yuri-chan's follower じゃない Yuri-chan family. Okay, let's explain about this temple a little bit. During Kamakura period, this temple is very popular, and also Kamakura is very popular. But after Edo period, Kamakura became fisherman village, just a fisherman village, and temple lost a lot of greatness. And also we had big earthquake called Kanto Daishinsai, and most of temple was broken by the earthquake. But still we have like a mountain gate and bell and main hall. And in main hall there are three Buddha. It's called Amida Nyorai, Shaka Nyorai, and Miroku Nyorai. This is very rare, like you can pray at the same time three different Buddha. So すごい珍しいという風に書いてありますね。I don't know why, but I really like this temple because this temple always much less people than Tsurugaoka Hachimangu Shrine. Of course, Tsurugaoka Hachimangu Shrine is very big and it was it to visit. But I think if you want to feel Japanese Zen vibe, you should come here. Jochiji is more chill and more peace.
Let's keep tour. So this is very secret road. We need to go through this tunnel. Looks very old and made by nature. And through this tunnel, you can see a lot of big trees and a lot of tombs. It is say over there is Shichifukujin god, one of Shichifukujin god called Hotei-sama. Hotei is one of the 7 lucky gods in Japan. He is known as the god of happiness and good fortune. Hotei always has a big smile and loud belly, which shows joy and kindness. He carried a large bag. People believe this bag is full of good luck and happiness. Hotei is also a symbol of generosity. He gives happiness to everyone without asking for anything in return. Because of this, many people pray to Hotei for a happy life and good luck. This time, I also pray our happiness, so we can get big happiness, even if you're just watching this video. And when it comes to Shichifukujin seven happiness god visiting, we should get a stamp called Goshuin, and we need to get special paper. So let's get the special paper and special Goshuin. So on the right hand there is Goshuin place. So if you want to get Goshuin, you need to pay 500 yen, and if you want to buy special paper, you need to pay 1,000 yen. So let's get the Goshuin stamp and special paper.
ということで今、七福神の、御朱印をいただいてきました。ちょっとね、どんなものか皆さんにお見せしたいんですけど、すごい。この色紙が
ばいい。この色紙が1000円で、中のスタンプが500円でした。じゃあ、すごいかっこいいね。手書きで書いてくださったみたいです。スタンプじゃない。すごい。これはね、すごい、全てのスタンプを集めるのが本当に楽しみです。8箇所ね、あとね7箇所、回る予定なんですけど、そうあと8箇所ってことは、単純に計算してこのね色紙は、各場所スタンプ500円プラス色紙1000円ってことは、まあね、だいたいこの色紙を完成させるのに5000円ぐらいかかるんだけど、でもこの七福神巡りの目的は、この自分ユニークな縁起物を自分で作るっていうね、もう唯一無二の縁起物を作れるっていうところに魅力があるらしいので、まあね、5000円の価値があるんじゃないかなって思っています。そしてね、本当に七福神の、パワーがどうやら本当にすごいらしいので、どんなねお願いでも叶えてくれるというふうにね、本を見て勉強したんですけど、ただね、ちょっとこれはねおいおい、後のね回で話そうと思うんですけど、どうやら、七福神にはね、こうペナルティがあるとか、いろんなね説があるんですけど、とりあえずね、あと7箇所のお寺に回ってみたいと思います。というわけで、あとね、7箇所の、七福神を巡りたいと思いますが、今日もね動画を最後まで見てくれて本当にありがとうございました。それじゃあね、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。じゃあねー。